Alright, you guys, so it is 8:13 p.m. As you guys know, with my lifestyle, I have to be up early in the morning. So I don't have that long to install a wig or to do my hair. I clearly cannot go to work like this in the morning. So today I am going to be installing a glueless wig from ISEE Hair. I showed you guys what it looks like. If I haven't, I'll just insert that clip here. I don't need to hide, I can teach my you got me telling there's no protection. That's okay. Oh, I was rolling back up the face, but got you feeling the same. I want it. You call your toes when you're deep in my throat. I'll be the sexy only now. But I am a little sick, so if you guys hear me like that's why. But they actually have this new wig cap design that I really do love, you guys. This is exactly how the cap looks on the wig, you guys. Exactly how. And only ISEE Hair has this. So first things first, I'm going to slick back these edges. As you guys know, I did have some postpartum hair loss all right here, and it is growing back. So if you guys want to know what products I use to grow my edges back, I don't know, just leave a comment and I'll let y'all know, or just stay tuned for the vlog because I'll be showing you guys that in the vlog. I am going in with some edge control and a little brush just to slick my edges back. And as y'all know, it is over 100 degrees here in Texas. It's really hot. So gluing wigs to the forehead, baby, I don't have time for that. When I was on maternity leave, I was spending a lot of money getting my hair done. And I just feel like it's not worth it because the last time I got my hair done, within a week, it already was lifting. And these wig installs, you guys, are like $185, $200. And I cannot keep wasting money like that. Like, I can't. As you guys can see. And we're going to go in with the HD wig cap. Now, I'm not going to do the ball cap method because it's not really needed. I'm just going to wear this wig glueless tomorrow. And hopefully, it doesn't, you know. Just going to wear it like this. Y'all see? No ball cap method. So, they sent me this gorgeous curly wig, but we will be adding some mousse to this wig to make it a little bit more fluffier. This is pretty, but I do want to run my hands through it and make the curls a little bigger. It does come with the strap just so you can throw it on and go. I didn't add anything to this lace. I didn't add any bleaching. I didn't pluck it. I didn't part it. I did not do nothing to this wig. So let's see how it's gonna. Oh, and the combs that come with this wig are removable, which is perfect. I do be cutting the combs out. I don't know if y'all know that. Just so the wig can look a little flatter. So I'm taking the combs out. Oh yeah, she's eating. Ooh, hold on. Okay, she's not a full frontal, so if I put her in a ponytail tomorrow, I may look a little crazy. Let's see, if I put her in a ponytail, I might look a little, I might not look bad. I just can't tuck her behind the ear because you see that black part right there where there's no lace. So these are what the knots look like, you guys. Like I said, I ain't do nothing to it. The wig came straight just like this. It looks beautiful so far, but the hairline is a little straight. Y'all know I hate straight hairlines because it just screams wig. So yeah, we're gonna have to do something about dots. This is how the knots look, y'all. They're really tiny. Just zoom y'all in. You'll see, they're really tiny. So that's good. Okay, so for the hair, I think we're gonna have to pull some out. I think we're gonna have to like pull out a little bit in the front to make it, I hope I don't mess this wig up, child. To make it kind of look like a widow's peak, kind of. You guys, if I pull this out, am I going to mess it up? We're going to have to, oh, I messed it up. Okay. I don't know what I'm going to do about this part where you can see the cap, but I'm going to have to figure it out. For the wig cap, I just pushed it back some and it don't really show. See? Yeah. That looks better. Ooh, that curl is getting pretty. As you guys can see, I have on makeup. I'm going to be using these Noxzema pads to remove the makeup around the perimeter. And then I'll be going in with some Eben New York. I know that they're canceled. I don't know why exactly they're canceled. I didn't watch the whole story time. The girl was just talking for too long. So that's why I just said I didn't watch the whole thing. So I already had these before the story time. So I know they're canceled, but I have the products. I'm still going to use them. So this is Eben New York's Water Resistant Sports Edition. If this can survive in the Texas heat, plus the PT that I got to do, they might have hit the nail with this one. So here I have their adhesive spray along with their lace melt. So these are the only two products we're going to be using today. This is the only product I'm going to use to adhere this wig to my head. You do not need to adhere this wig. You don't need to use spray or glue. You can go outside literally like this if you would like. But because I'm going to be running, I need to have some type of protection. So I'm going to go in with the adhesive spray first. And then I'm going to follow with the lace melt. So yeah. And then to get the curls to pop, I am probably going to go in with the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. And those are all the products that we're using. Next, we're going to go in with the lace melt. To use our wax stick and our hot comb, girl. That's all you need for a flat wig. No specific hot comb and no specific wax stick. That's all you need, sister girl, and not too much either. Because if you use too much wax stick, it make your wig real oily. Look at me talking like I know what the hell I'm talking about. Y'all see the difference? This side is more flatter than this side. Let me see if y'all can see it for real. Hopefully y'all can see the difference because I can see it, but this side is more flatter. period. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll be back to remove the band. I'm trying to get the part as straight as I could. I do want to go in with that black root thing, but girl, I don't know. I'll be messing that thing up, so let's take off the band and see, girl. Oh, it's melted. Oh, it just melted. Melted. Yeah. Both sides. You guys may see some little white parts. That's gonna go when I take off my makeup. Like, that's nothing. So, next, I got the wig as flat as I could. Now, we're gonna go in and brush out the curls. So, these are how the curls looked brushed out right here. But we're gonna go ahead and brush out the rest. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my God. No mousse. We might not even need the mousse. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at how big the hair got, y'all. This is one side. This is the side that I brushed out. Very big, curly, voluminous. And this is the other side if I leave it. So you pick your poison. If you buy this wig and you want some small, simple, boom, don't brush it out. But if you want that big, wet and wavy, back in the day, beauty supply, beach type of vibe, then you may want to brush her out. Oh, she is gorgeous. Oh, she's a baddie. I see hair. I see what you did there. Okay, now we're going to brush out the other side. Let me back up so y'all can really see. Okay, this is the other side, right? Let's go. Ooh-wee! Ooh, Lord. She got big, child. Ooh, it's a little hot outside. She got big. Oh, my God. Oh, you guys, she got big. Alright, you guys, so as you guys saw, I did go ahead and install this wig with no glue. Only thing I used, like I said, were these products. I don't know if they are actually going to be water resistant in sports, whatever, until tomorrow, because I will be running tomorrow, so I will know. So yeah, those are only two items that I use, you guys. I just use spray. Y'all saw I did this wig install with 100% no glue. You don't even have to use a spray if you don't want to. If you want to throw it on and go, you do that. You do kind of want to customize that hairline a little bit if you don't like that straight Johnny Bravo hairline. As far as this hair texture, I gotta be honest with y'all. This is the most beautiful curly hair that any company has ever sent me. I've been getting wigs for the past 8 to 9 years, you guys. A lot of times when you put mousse on it, it'll look pretty for like 2 minutes and then it'll get real poofy and too big. No, it's been like 15 minutes and the hair is still super curly, shiny, and perfect. I haven't even added any oil, but I am actually going to go in with the BioSilk. Yeah, I hear my baby crying. This is absolutely beautiful, y'all. Y'all need to pick this wig up for the summer. I don't really know how much this wig retails, but I'll leave everything linked down below if you guys want to check them out. I'm also going to show you guys how long it is on me. So I am 5'3", and this falls just under my breast with me pulling it. When I let go, it's like this. So I will leave everything linked down below, like I said. If you guys are interested in shopping with ISEE hair, 10 out of 10 here, I recommend. I'm about to go take some pictures. Even though it is 9 p.m. at night, I'm still going to find me a little way to take some photos. So I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.